Neil Armstrong, the first man to ever walk the face of the moon, recently passed away at age 82, and he's being commemorated for his lifetime achievements, which he accomplished when he was only 30 years old, which would make a lot of us feel like we're very unaccomplished. But nevertheless, he had some pretty interesting opinions, um, which I'm about to delve into in this video. And I could certainly see where he's coming from. He said that he was pretty disappointed with the stagnation of the technological progress of the United States and the stagnation of space exploration. And I certainly do see where he's coming from. It seems like in the past there were more inventions being spawned here in the United States, but now they have just taken a hiatus and they don't care about exploring the moon or exploring anything else, or NASA being the main institution for furthering scientific research and space exploration has just taken, or just took a hiatus. They recently just sent a space probe to Mars called Curiosity, but in his opinion, he said that by now we should have had people land on Mars and men walk on the surface of Mars like they had done on the moon. But apparently NASA has taken a break from all of that, and they only care about it when they're in competition with other countries and stuff like that. And I guess, I don't know if it's just because nowadays banks and people only care about making money basically, and the banks are, just interested in putting you in debt and give you credit so you can stay in debt for like a good portion of your life or your entire life. And it looks like they're not, there are small enclaves of innovation going on, such as Steve Jobs with the iPad and all that, iPhone, and basically a computer, which was the basic greatest invention. It has been the greatest invention for some time, the computer. But imagine when back in like Nikola Tesla's time and like Thomas Edison and stuff, the X-ray discovery of X-rays, and how to manipulate radio waves and stuff like that for like radio communications and stuff, like Marconi sending like signals from one tower to another over in England, and like Thomas Edison, which he's credited with coming up with the first speaker basically, and the light bulb and stuff. They say that the first light bulb he ever invented lasted for 100 years. So that makes me think it was a pretty sturdy fucking light bulb. I wonder why they don't make them as sturdy and long lasting nowadays. Yeah, it's because they're basically just interested in making you spend money and siphoning money out of your pocket. Yeah, but nevertheless, it seems like in the past there were like more technological inventions coming into existence at a faster pace and stuff, but now it's just kind of like stagnated. Now all they care about is like basically wars and stuff, even though there were probably more wars back then. But yes, I don't see why NASA took a hiatus and decided not to do any more exploration on the moon or even Mars and stuff. I think they could have sent a manned Martian mission by now, but they just chose not to. Or I guess until some other country starts catching up to the United States of America, then they'll hurry up and do something about it. But until then, they're just gonna keep enjoying the break. So yeah, he's a pretty interesting guy and stuff. And let me know what you think. Um, I'm certainly looking for one of his books. If he has written any books, or if he has a biography or whatever, I'm gonna try to get it and read it, and to find out more about this guy, Neil Armstrong. Rest in peace. And until later, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and make video responses and stuff. Just give me any feedback you feel like leaving. Anything's good. Okay, bye.